Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your email marketing to the next level and connect with your subscribers in a more personal way, you're in exactly the right spot. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use merge tags in Mailchimp, specifically how to insert a merge tag for your subscriber's first name. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly add first names to your emails, making every message feel more genuine and individualized, which is a fantastic way to boost your engagement. Alright, let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Mailchimp account and go to your email design. This is where you craft the actual content of the email your subscribers will receive. If you've already got an email draft, bring that up, or if you're starting from scratch, just create a new campaign and jump into the design view. Think of this as your digital canvas, where every tweak and touch personalizes your communication. Now, once you're inside the email editor, find the piece of text where you'd like to add your subscriber's name. Maybe you're sending out a birthday wish, or perhaps you want to greet folks more warmly in a newsletter. Select that block of text, for example, highlight Happy Birthday, because that's where we'll tuck in the first name to create a message like Happy Birthday, Sarah. Look toward the upper right of your screen. Up there, Mailchimp has tucked away a handy little menu. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dots stacked on top of each other. This is basically your More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you don't see them immediately, don't stress. Sometimes you have to hover your mouse over the selected text for the toolbar to pop up. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Merge Tag. Merge tags in Mailchimp are like placeholders. They pull in information specific to each subscriber when the email goes out. It's kind of like magic. You put in a code and Mailchimp swaps it for the real data, like the subscriber's first name, email address, or birthday. For our purpose, you'll want to pick the one called FName, which stands for first name. Once you've selected FName, you'll notice a little snippet that looks like FName drop into your text. Position it right after Happy Birthday, keeping in mind punctuation and spacing so it reads smoothly. For example, you'll want your text to say, Happy Birthday FName. This is what will appear to your readers as Happy Birthday Jamie or Happy Birthday Jordan, whoever the email is sent to. This small touch can make a big difference and shows your subscriber you actually know them, not just their email address. After you've added the merge tag, it's always a good idea to make sure it's working correctly before sending out your email to hundreds or thousands of people. Click the preview button in the top right corner. Mailchimp's preview mode is perfect for double-checking that your merge tags will populate as intended. If you want to be extra sure, you can also use the Send a Test email feature just to see exactly what your subscribers will see. Don't worry if the preview shows FNAME in brackets. In the real email, that placeholder transforms into your subscriber's actual first name. And that's really it. In just a few simple steps, you've made your emails 10 times more personal and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more tips on email marketing or Mailchimp, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.